Hello, welcome to Teacher Jess channel, and this is our lesson 5 of Letters Learn Science. So question 25 is: the following are activities that can help to conserve soil except choose A. We have plowing down the hill. So I'll briefly explain about this. So plowing down the hill, often refers to as downhill plowing, is generally not considered a recommendation or a recommended practice for soil conservation. It can contribute to soil erosion, especially on slopes. Here is why. Risk erosion. Plowing downhill increases the risk of water erosion. When it rains, water can easily wash away the exposed soil, leading to soil erosion and nutrient loss. Another one is loss of topsoil. Downhill plowing may result in the loss of fertile topsoil layer, which is crucial for plant growth. This can negatively impact soil quality and productivity. Also, formation of furrows. Plowing downhill can create furrows that act as channels for water runoff. This concentrated flow can further accelerate erosion and contribute to the formation of gullies. And lastly, it can result to increased runoff. Plowing downhill can increase the speed of water runoff, making it more challenging for water to infiltrate the soil. This can lead to decreased water retention in the landscape. For soil conservation on slopes, practices like contour plowing, contour banding, and terracing are often recommended. These techniques help slow down water runoff, reduce soil erosion, and promote water retention in the soil. So our answer here is choose A, plowing down the hill. Next question: which one of the following would a farmer use to store large volumes of water? We have drum, tank, port, and a dam. Definitely a dam. When you build a dam, it can conserve water for a long period of time and in large volumes. So our answer is choice D. This one is straightforward. Question 27. Which one of the following consists only of a pair that can make pond water safe for drinking? So let's talk about decantation. It's a process of separating two immiscible liquids or a solid which is insoluble in a liquid. No usage of vacuum pumps or filter paper. It is done manually, and it is difficult to separate the mixture's components completely. For example, milk and cheese or cream, plasma in blood, water in mud, or water in oil can be separated through decantation, but it's not a guarantee that all the mixtures will be separated. Another one we want to look at is filtration. It's a process of separating a solid from a liquid where the solid is trapped on the filter paper and the liquid passes. It's always not capable of separating two liquids. It doesn't remove all the harmful particles in the liquid, so it's also not appropriate. The third one is boiling. It is the surest method to kill disease-causing germs, e.g. viruses, bacteria, and parasites. And lastly, chemicals. So chemical tablets are often used to disinfect water. So we can see the two main surest ways to kill disease-causing organisms in water and make them pure for drinking are boiling and chemicals. So anywhere where there is decantation and filtration is out. Question 28. Discoloring of white garments during washing can be minimized by using, or let's talk about this. Rainwater is very soft. It is generally soft and doesn't contain the minerals that can contribute to discoloration. The warmth can enhance the effectiveness of the cleaning process. So we have warm rainwater. I've explained that the warmth can enhance effectiveness of the cleaning process, whereas groundwater, e.g. the borehole and spring, is likely fairly hard. Hard water cleans less efficiently than soft water. So in this question, our answer will be warm rainy water is the best to minimize discoloration of white garments compared to borehole, which is also groundwater still, spring water, which is still groundwater, even if they make it warm. So our answer is choice B. 29. Which one of the following practices help to prevent the spread of cholera? She said keeping cooked food covered. That's true. Yeah, so that germs or flies don't go to the food. Yeah, it can cause infection. Just be wearing gumboots when working in a swamp. That is a preventive measure for bilharzia. Chelsea washing hands after eating as poultry should be before eating. Chelsea eating roasted maize by the roadside, that is not an option. So our answer is choice A, keeping cooked food covered. Deep trenches were observed on a farm on a hillside. The deep trenches were most likely due to A, splash erosion, B, gully erosion, C, rill erosion, and D, sheet erosion. Splash erosion results from raindrops hitting the ground, leading to the breakdown of topsoil into tiny particles. These detached particles subsequently create a crust on the surface that can easily be carried away during rainy or windy conditions. So what is basically being said here is that whenever there are raindrops, there are always layers of soil. So the topsoil gets detached from other layers and breaks down into tiny particles. So these tiny particles can easily be blown away when it's windy or it rains. The next one is gully erosion. This is the most severe or worst form of soil erosion and occurs when concentrated runoff flows intensely in a specific area. Often, gullies initiate as rills that transform into robust waterfalls capable of eroding topsoil. As water gains momentum, the slopes of the gully become steeper. This type of erosion is highly visible and destructive, significantly impacting soil productivity and rendering the land unusable. So gully erosion is an advanced rill erosion. So let's see what is rill erosion. Rills emerge as rainwater flows into low-lying areas, forming shallow drainage channels. With each rainstorm, these channels may widen, heightening the vulnerability of the landscape to erosion. Taking measures to manage water flow can help minimize the risk of rill erosion. So rills emerge as when it rains today, tomorrow, and the day after, and then the water flows in a low-lying area, then starts to form like small patches of shallow drainage channels, and you can see the signs that it rained and there was a small impact on the soil. So that is rill erosion. On the other hand, sheet erosion takes place when the slender top layer of soil is moved, typically caused by intense rain or water runoff. This results in the loss of valuable nutrients and organic matter. This type of soil erosion is a slow, inconspicuous process until substantial sections of soil are affected. Additionally, if the vegetation cover deteriorates, soil erosion accelerates. Therefore, preserving the health of native plant species is crucial for preventing rapid erosion. In our question, we're being told that deep trenches were observed, which means they were very visible, which means there was a great impact of soil erosion that took place. And therefore, our answer here can only be gully erosion, which is the worst type of soil erosion, and it's very visible and anyone can see the impact. So we've come to the end of our lesson, and see you in the next lesson where we'll be handling question 31 up to question 36. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Teacher G's channel. Take care.